I'm Andy Totten, and welcome to this old high school. What the camera's panning now is the north end of the future pool, which is wide open to the sky right now. As it's tracking down what used to be the hallway in between the west side of the gymnastics area and the west side of the east gym, the supports that you see are all temporary bracing that are picking up the conduits that were put in as part of phase 1 work to feed all this area here. Now we're going to go ahead and pan around to see the new office spaces they're creating on the south side of the pool, as well as the new spectator seating area that's going to be on the west side of the pool. Now you're looking at the south face of what's going to be enclosing the new pool area. There was an existing face of brick on this whole wall that's been taken off because as this wall is extended up, it'll have one consistent color of brick all the way through. You can see this new steel, these new openings that were created on the south side. That'll be the new office over there, and some storage space, and then another a small shower and locker room area. This area you see off behind me is going to be the pool equipment room. This low pit is the sump pit that covers this whole area here, and this trench is the main drain for the pool. The elevation this area is at now is actually the bottom that the pool will be. This work that's going on in the corner, you see some concrete being broken up. That's where new piping will be taken in. On this west wall here, you'll see that is the new spectator area for the pool. It's a dedicated pool spectator area that's separated off now with the dividing wall from the main gym. Behind me you see them framing up the wall, which will be the foundation wall for the far northwest corner of the pool deck. So this defines the rest of the pool deck area. On beyond this, they're framing up the elevator pit as well as storage rooms that will complete the north half of this area. Right now we're looking from the new spectator area at what will be the east side of the pool and the pool deck. You'll be looking across the new 6-lane pool, across the new tile pool deck, all the new finishes, 12-foot wide pool deck, and new acoustical wall panels. We're standing outside the new auto shop, which is part of the original phase 1 construction. They're just doing finishing touches now, and they're planning to turn this over to the students next week. Let's go inside. Coming in this main corridor here, you can see they're doing some final touch-up painting, but the school's already started moving in some of their materials in preparation for the students coming in. This corridor, which is at the far south side of the building, has got 2 handicap accessible bathrooms flanking it, and the hope there was that these areas would be available for events going on at the stadium to give more flexibility for future athletic events. This is an example of one of the 2 bathrooms that are in this area, fully accessible bathrooms. They were completed as part of this auto shop work. Entering the new classroom here in the auto shop facility off that corridor we were just in, you can see there are 6 computer workstations, and there's infrastructure for another 6 stations to be set up against the wall. The school's still arranging furniture and moving things over from the main building, but we wanted to take this opportunity to look at this space before everybody moved in and after it was substantially completed. Coming into the main bay areas where the teaching and the big work will be happening, you can see behind us here we do have 2 lifts that were relocated from the existing shop, as well as behind me there will be one larger lift which will be capable of lifting a vehicle larger than a standard car or truck. All the existing equipment from the existing auto lab we placed along the walls. We have a new eye wash facility, and this far north bay will be set up as a washing station also, as well as a full teaching space. All right, we're panning up the east face of the building here, facing Gulf Avenue. As you can see final painting's being done on the protective bollards outside the doors. We've got the final landscaping scheduled to happen right away. A little bit of touch-up on the cleaning on the brick, and we should be good to go. Standing at the northwest corner of the school, off to my left here is the existing wood shop, and beyond that, the existing auto shop. This area will be where Phase 3 construction will begin. Abatement will begin over the next few months, followed closely by demolition, which will make way for new entrance in this area, new administrative areas, and new classrooms. I'm Andy Totten, and thanks for watching this old high school.